Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are reviewing a brand new custom ROM. Now this custom ROM is Proton-plus. Now I've been using this ROM for like 15 or 16 days, maybe even more, and in this video I will share every single experience of mine, how this ROM has been for past 15 or 20 days, how is the daily driving experience. If you plan to flash this ROM, stick around till the end of the video. Now talking about the battery backup of this ROM, as you can see, last I charged my device 4 days ago. I have not been using my device much lately. Like you can see here, the phone was idle for like 3 days, and with that you can see that idle battery management of this ROM is excellent. And even the normal battery backup of this ROM, like day-to-day usage with WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube and all that, it holds up pretty well. Like sometimes I don't even need to charge it for the next day. Now talking about the customization in this ROM, there are not many customizations. Actually there are not customizations at all. There are minimal customization in the launcher settings, like you can see here. These are all the customization you get, I think, and maybe you can get a bit of customizations here too, but that's pretty much it in the customization section of this ROM. And this ROM does not offer much customization at all. Maybe the future builds or future updates will introduce some customization, but as of now you can't really do much like QS panel tweaking or anything like that. But the ROM is extremely smooth, like extremely smooth. Like you can see here, the app opening, app closing is so freaking fluid. Now talking about the camera application in this ROM, you get this Leica camera and it's pretty good in my opinion. All the lenses work pretty fine. Like you can see here, ultra wide works fine, then the primary lens also works fine, then the macro should also work pretty fine. Yeah, macro is also working fine. Then other modes like portrait mode, night mode and all these 108 megapixel mode is also working pretty fine, and there are no issues with any of that. Now this device also ships with the Dolby Atmos, and with that the sound experience has been amazing. Like I was amazed with the quality of the audio that it was producing. It was loud, crisp, clear, it had rich bass, it had rich treble, and obviously you can adjust it according to your liking. Like if you like treble more and bass less, you can just reduce it and increase it, that way you'll get more treble. But I like more balanced and loud experience, so I keep it this way. You can also copy this if you want a balanced experience. Anyway, moving on with this ROM, the device is also certified, so the banking apps work pretty fine. I've been using phone pay application for payments, and nothing has crashed or the app doesn't say the phone is rooted or anything like that. The app works just fine. There are no issues with that. Also you get the pixel storage, so you can back up unlimited photos and videos at no charge, so there's that. Honestly, the best thing about this ROM is its fluidity. Like it opens and closes apps like butter, and I've been amazed with the fluidity. Even the stock MIUI ROM doesn't offer this kind of fluidity, this kind of smoothness, and much of it is also because of the kernel. Like you can see here, this ROM ships with 4.14 Meraki kernel, and with that everything has been buttery smooth, like you can see here. Even the battery backup of this ROM is pretty solid in my opinion. Like this is one of the best ROMs if you want to daily drive. And obviously you get a Google dialer. There is no option for USB dialer. Maybe if you flash the vanilla version and then flash the add-ons, then maybe you can get that kind of USB dialer. So lastly, I'd like to conclude this video with a thought that this ROM is one of the best ROMs if you want to daily drive. This ROM offers extreme smoothness. Like this feels like a pixel device in my opinion. rather than a MIUI device or a Xiaomi device. Yes, it has that level of smoothness. So if you are looking for something like that, then you should definitely try this ROM. And honestly, I don't really want to switch from this ROM to any other ROM because it's one of my favorite ROMs now. And with that, this is a green flag from me, a major green flag, I'll say. Even if you are happy with your current ROM, do try this ROM. You'll fall in love with it. Even I have fallen in love with this ROM. And on that note, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.